private, don't worry.
Talk shoes.
Recorded live.
Now we just hit add to call.
Hello?
Yes, I'm looking for a real estate lawyer and juvenile judge Dan Camp.
This is he.
Oh, hey, I was wondering if you remember me. I'm Celeste Cortez, and you had a case with me. And I was wondering if we could sort of talk because there's been a horrific mistake made. And if it was a mistake, then being through ethics and moral ethics, I would be sure you wanted. Okay, that was a mistake. I was one of your. I came before you in one of your courts, and you confirmed that I had a delusional disorder based on Betsy Prince. And I don't know if you even read the psychological evaluation, but I'm pretty sure you should have. But she diagnosed me delusional based on they showed me a picture of a cactus, and I came up with it in Spanish before English. And she said because my mother is white, I should have came up with it in English first. But I had been I'm married for 15 years, just Spanish. So it took me a while to come up with it. And she said that I had post-executive themes and that she didn't see no gate about me being paralyzed. Well, I have EMGs, and my whole family will verify these horrific events that have happened. And I was just wondering, right now, my kids are being held in a mental institution. And they're being drugged heavily. Huh? In San Diego.
I couldn't understand you.
What do you mean you couldn't understand me?
I couldn't understand what you were saying. Your kids are where now? I couldn't understand you.
In San Diego, in a mental institution. And they're being drugged for, quote, delusions. Because 2 years ago, when I escaped, because of these horrific things that I was telling social workers that were happening to me, they really were. And I ended up being drugged off to Mexico, and he tried to bury me alive. Then I escaped. And even though I have paralysis while I walk with AFOs, I got my kids out one by one. And then I took my son to a mental hospital for counseling, for trauma. And the CPS was called. And then supposedly y'all sent a decree, your decree that says I was, quote, delusional, to San Diego. And based on that, my kids have been in a mental institution for the last 2 years, right? Being drugged.
Children wouldn't be in mental institution because you were alleged to be delusional.
No, they're alleged to be delusional, too, because they believe the same delusion, sir. Okay? And this is, if this was an honest mistake, I mean, I would think that somebody would want to clear this up, because I'm not trying to be mean, but it looks pretty bad.
Did you have an attorney previously?
No, I was told, I don't know if you've seen my YouTube videos, but it's told that I'm not allowed to have no attorney, can't show no evidence, no nothing. That
Man, you would have had you would have an attorney originally appointed by the court.
Which one? You talking about in San Diego or here? No, sir. I've been with
not in San Diego, in Georgia, if you were.
In Georgia, yeah. I had an attorney, but a lot of it was what was said.
Then you
is not what
you need
the
to contact
decree.
her. Ma'am, you need to contact her. I can't speak for San Diego, but if you will appoint an attorney here...
Well, I'm not talking about San Diego. I'm talking about what happened in your court.
And you need to contact the attorney here that you have.
Okay, so it's not concerned to you that if y'all made a mistake? Because it looks pretty bad being that you're the real estate lawyer for Ray Baxter, sir. It looks real bad. And if it was a mistake and it ain't got nothing to do with the illegal activity, then you would surely want to clear it up. You sure would want to clear it up, because if it's illegal activity...
If you give me a chance to talk rather than rattling on, then you whoever was your attorney before, you need to contact them. If you want your case reviewed and it's open here, then I can appoint an attorney to represent you to get with you. But that's all I can do. I can't talk about the case anymore. If you want an attorney appointed and you go to the court and they see where we are on the case, then they can appoint one.
Well, can I ask you one more question? Just one more question, that's it. You know those... fake house papers that were typed up? Ray Baxter claims that you're the one that typed them up. Are you the one that typed them up?
I have no idea what you're talking about at this point, man.
You don't? Okay. Because if you typed them up and it's your,
I don't know, ma'am. Then you just need to contact an attorney, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, you have a nice day.